Hi everyone, I'm Susan, CEO and Head of Product for Talentcloud. In this video, I'm going to give you a brief overview of Talentcloud. It is a digital tool for human capital management to empower talents to be more productive and to use data analytics to make better people and business decisions. We are designed for medium to large enterprises looking for digital transformation in their workforce and workplace. Digital transformations has become even more crucial due to recent COVID-19 pandemic. I would like to show you a few things here as I sign in as a manager, Zyme in Talentcloud system. There are links to the self-service function on top and also more modules shown at the bottom. You can see some of the modules here, such as recruiting, performance, learning, succession planning, data analytics, and some self-service function which enables Zyme to submit leaves, claims, overtime, etc. Zyme may see different links or modules depending on the role assigned to him or whether the company has go live with the modules. Essentially, Talentcloud implement and roll out modules by stages so that our customers can have quick wins to go live within 1 to 2 months from sign up and have smoother onboardings. These sessions in dashboard are customizable, such as here, company can send a pulse survey to collect more targeted survey every week or month instead of an annual survey. And like here, I can answer the 2 questions. On the other side, we have an engagement status which is excellent for Zyme with a very healthy 3 visual where it is showing that Zyme has updated his goal, give feedback, progress in e-learning frequently, etc. There are other sessions in the dashboard such as who's out and birthday. And on the right hand side, I can clock in and the system will track my time. Zyme can use his mobile phone web browser to clock in as well, as all our self-service pages are mobile responsive. Zyme can also see all the tasks he needs to complete, such as profile completions and approval tasks. At Talentcloud, we pride ourselves in our modern and delightful user experience. Give you a very simple example of applying leave. The system will first display the calendar to show leaves applied by Zyme colleagues in the same department so that he can plan his leave not to clash with them. As Zyme fills up the leave application, he will notice a lot of feedback from the system as he progresses, such as when he selects annual leave. The system shows available leave balance and there is an additional reason field configured by the company. When he selects the start and end date, the number of days will be automatically calculated based on his work schedule and public holiday. And when he submits the form, it will check the policy enforced by HR, such as here, backdated application is not allowed for annual leave. As you see, it looks like a very simple leave application form, but it is already doing a lot of things dynamically. And the good news is these are all integrated and configurable. Looking from the point of automations, a lot of customers prefer Talentcloud because of all the integrations and policy controls. Let's look into payroll module. All unpaid leaves, pay adjustments, claims, overtime pay, etc. will flow to payroll without manual data entry and calculations. Let's jump into the unpaid leave tracking here. The deductions amount is automatically calculated here. Let's look at the overtimes here as well, where it is auto-calculated based on the configurable rates. Different pay for working days, rest day, and public holidays are all taken care of. There are even additional pay elements like overtime meal allowance. As always, HR can also configure policy to check the payroll accuracy to prevent errors, fraud, or incomplete data. For example here, there are some alerts like variance from previous payroll. With more and more companies adopting work-from-home policies, having real-time and frequent progress updates on key information is a very crucial benefit. Let's see the goal management module here, which is part of the performance and talent management. Zyme has 4 goals here he has to achieve by certain dates, and he can see the overall progress here very clearly. Let us see the details of this goal. Increase customer satisfaction. The progress is only 25%. Let's look into the several milestones that we can progress every week, which is very important to help Zyme achieve the goal. Like one of the milestones here, Zyme needs to send out 10 surveys. Zyme can update and track weekly progress updates, view lesson plans and actions plan, and also any additional information about this milestone, like the link to other resources. These informations are all digital, which enables organizations to promptly track and take actions no matter where they are. Talentcloud is providing the end-to-end human capital management solutions with the objectives to make sure the data flow and integrations are there so that at the end of the day, we can give the HR and management team the analytics, predictions, and actionable insight. Here, as a start, we can present the data analytics to HR and top management in a graphical way where this shows the whole cost involved for people, including health benefits, overtime, hiring costs, etc. And we do want to dive deeper into a more indirect cost which involve more intelligent data collections and analytics, such as to track the cost of turnover for high performer versus other performers. There are also more analytics available, such as overtime analytics and productivity analytics. It is definitely important to attract and retain top performers. This is also a top concern according to global CEO surveys. Let's look into one of the insights of the talent within a department. Here is a simple organization chart of a sales department. The system uses data analytics and AI technology to generate the retention risk and cost to replace. We can identify here Azuddin Azhar has both high retention risk and cost to replace. To evolve data from descriptive to prescriptive, system can suggest some key actions or initiatives, such as to include Azuddin in succession planning or design a better reward program for him. On the other hand, poor performer Shibu, as shown here, may need to go for performance improvement plan, which can result in termination. A data-driven HCM organization will deliver real business impact by having the right talent on hand at the right place at the right time. Thank you for watching this Talentcloud Product Overview video. Stay safe and stay curious.